Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete and completely remove the Easy Home application from your iPhone or Android. Basically the process is pretty same. If you uninstall it from here, there might be some data which will be left in your phone. So how can you remove that as well? So don't just delete or uninstall the application from here. What you need to do is just go inside the settings, and inside the settings you just need to go into the app section, and inside not in the apps, in the app section in the Android, and if you're using an iPhone, so you just need to go into the general option and go inside the storage, while in Android you just need to go inside the app section and open the application called Easy Home and just find it. And as you can see in iPhone, you can see these both two options, offload app and delete app. So in order to remove all its data, just click on offload app. That will basically delete all its data or documents which are available in your phone. In Android, you can just simply click on clear storage, clear all the storage and cache, and everything or every data of Easy Home will be removed. And after that, you just need to click on delete data and just delete, or in Android you just need to uninstall it completely and that will be removed. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can do it.